Where Good Ideas Come From by Steven Johnson, a Pecha Kucha project created for the class using integrated software across the curriculum at New Jersey City University. Presentation by Levering-Connolly. Steven Johnson's book offers an interesting new study of how we think, dream, and create today. Johnson found that there are recurring patterns which support innovation. The book is built around dozens of stories from the history of scientific, technological, and cultural innovation. Darwin's Eureka moment, Brian Eno's new musical convention, Gutenberg's borrowed idea from the wine industry, and the accidental development of GPS. All of this broken into 7 principles or chapters in this book. The adjacent possible, principle number 1, the idea that not everything is possible right away. The phrase, borrowed from the theoretical biologist Stuart Kauffman, indicates what can be unlocked with the theories, material, and knowledge that are currently available. It explains, for instance, why several inventors often hit upon the same idea around the same time without communicating to each other. As Johnson explains, think of it as being in a room with many doors, each leading to another room with a set of doors of its own, leading to more sets of multi-doored rooms and so on. The point is that not every location is immediately within reach from where you're standing. The adjacent possible is an argument for perspective. Principle 2, liquid networks. If you want to be innovative, you need to put yourself into innovative environments. Places where lots of contradictory ideas from many disciplines are crossing paths, where institutions and governments don't overregulate or conspire to crush new ideas. The history of innovation shows that network supports good ideas and innovation. People connecting to other people and multiple disciplines are more likely to have an innovative thought. Principle 3, the slow hunch. It's not often that great new ideas break through in eureka moments. Much more often, they linger in the back of someone's head and need months, sometimes years, or even decades to develop into something real. Liquid networks at this point can help to bring slow hunches together, and then these combined slow hunches lead to a new idea. So Johnson says the secret is simple. Write everything down, or what is more common today, look everything up. Keep track of your thoughts. You never know what it might turn out to be the missing piece to something that you think about later. Principle 4, serendipity. Sometimes great ideas come to you in unexpected moments. Johnson talks about a whole bunch of good examples in this book. Sometimes it's just necessary to free your mind. Go for a walk, watch a soccer game, go on vacation, and eventually a brilliant connection will occur to you which didn't come to your mind before. Google or books, which can lead to more serendipitous moments? Well, many could argue either. Today it's more common to search the web and to stumble across a site that leads you to many more sites with the click of a link. However, it could be argued that this kind of traffic stifles these types of moments. Principle 5, error. Making mistakes turns out to be part of the process. It sends you down a new path, allows an interesting new connection to form in your mind. Even wrong ideas help. If you don't want to make any errors, you will likely never create anything new. By making errors, you learn from every single one. And if you're lucky and interpret the errors correctly, you might come up with something wonderful. Principle 6, exaptation. Exaptation is a term coming from biology. The feathers of birds, for instance, were at first developed by Mother Nature for a means of isolation. Later on, however, they turned out to be essential for flying. Looking at innovations of the recent centuries from the viewpoint of exaptation, you'll find that many innovations were possible by using an existing thing in a different way. Platforms support innovation. Platforms allow you not to think about certain things and instead concentrate on the solution of the actual problem you're trying to solve. These principles make you think about how to seek and share ideas, how to run a company, and how you could change the world. It all comes down to taking a few steps in the right direction. Take long walks. The history of innovation is replete with stories of good ideas that occurred to people while they were out on a stroll. The shower or stroll removes you from the task-based focus of modern life, paying bills, answering emails, helping kids with homework, and deposits you in a more associative state. Keep an idea file, a long list of disorganized notes and sparks of inspiration. 2 years from now, you may have the structure to nurture a hunch that, for whatever reason, doesn't quite fit today. And read outside your discipline. Being well-versed in many different subjects makes you a valuable member of any team. The ability to pull information together and bring many ideas to the table will create success. Intelligent and innovative people can wear many different hats at once. Live in a city. Cities are beaming with creative people, eager to share ideas. Cities have music, sports, languages, stadiums, art galleries, and walkability. Cities are ready for design-led innovation, and they are places you go to inspire and design new ideas. They are part of the idea stage of innovation. In order for everyday life to foster more creative, open environments, we need to go for more walks, cultivate hunches, write everything down, but keep our folders messy, embrace serendipity, make mistakes, and take on multiple hobbies, frequent coffee houses and other liquid networks. Follow the links, let others build on our ideas, borrow, recycle, reinvent, create.